Hi, I have this Cuisinart CB-9 blender, and didn't seem like the impeller was working. I checked the impeller on the reservoir and it was fine. It looks like it was spinning when I pushed the motor button, but this thing could not sustain any torque up here. So before I threw it away, I decided to see if there was any part on eBay. I typed in the model number. The first thing that came up was this drive clutch. And you can't see it in the video, but one thing I did notice, there was a crack in it. So I suspected it was slipping, and it was. So anyway, this video, I'm just gonna show you how to fix it. First thing I did was just pry this up. I don't know if I can do it one-handed. Now, I had already pried it, but it looks like this. And I thought that the new part would just press on. The lighting, a little bit challenging here, but it's just black. And I looked at the piece and it had a brass part in there with threads. So what I figured out is this brass piece and it are supposed to be one, and that little shaft is threaded on. So I tried to figure out how to get that out. It's a little bit difficult from the top because the shaft just wants to spin. So there are 3 very easy to get to screws on the bottom. I lifted this off. Now you can see up close that there's the shaft. This is threaded on. Then if you pick this up, there's also a place to put a screwdriver in this end so you can hold it while you unthread that clutch part. Couple things to note. There's a big isolator down here in the bottom. It goes in this slot. There are 2 isolators up here on the top that go in corresponding slots or little holes in here when you put it back together. There was also this paper shield in here that covers just the electronics. There's actually a little piece up here that I think was supposed to go on top, and at the factory it wasn't even assembled right because it was just laying in there. So I'll put it back, but it probably goes on top of this shaft right over here. As you can see, it looks kind of cruddy. You can see all the grease. So I think it was just a factory defect. So anyway, the part on eBay is $7. So I'm gonna order it. Should thread right on, thread off. It's pretty easy to put back together in reverse order. There's no hidden latches or anything like that. Just buy the part, thread the old one off or the brass piece off, put the new one on, and you're good to go. Thanks.